At iFixScreens, we're all about bringing you service that's second to none. We are your one-stop shop for all of your electronic device repair needs. We can help you with any type of repair, including iPad, Samsung, MacBook, and smartwatch. We also offer services for laptop repair and iPhone repair in Islip, New York. And if you've got a gaming console that needs fixing, Nintendo Switch, Xbox, or PlayStation, we're here to help with those too. Our technicians are highly trained and dedicated to ensuring that your devices are repaired as quickly as possible. We'll repair your device right away, so you won't have to wait long before using it again. We stand behind the work we do, offering a 180-day warranty on our repairs. We're proud to offer affordable repairs for all of your electronics, including batteries, cameras, and iPhone screen replacements in Islip, New York. You can use our walk-in service or mail-in repair service to get any of your electronic gadgets serviced. We're here to help you. So, if you have any questions about what we do or how we can help, call us at 631-380-1321. You can also check our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/islip-ny. At iFixScreens, Islip Store, you can trust us when it comes to getting your devices back up and running again.